some, say bros.
Take it outside, basket. Take it inside. Pullover. You go discuss them. Anyway, Dales, before you can come up for inside studio, just sing something for us. Whether na R&B or Afro pop.
Or reggae.
Or blues.
Or a fusion of a all.
Or akpala.
Or fuyi.
Hey, fuyi. Okay. There's a feeling in my heart that will never bring you hurt. I just want to let it show. I don't want to let you go. Love, I need you. I love you every day. Put no one above you. Please hear the words I say. Oh, love, I need you. I love you every day. Put no one above you. Please hear the words I say. You're so beautiful.
Jesus!
You are so.
Oh, Jesus! You are beautiful.
Nedu, we know church. Oh.
Dales, thank you. Oh, yeah, stand up, they go.
Okay.
Same journey. I beg you, they go. Make Brian, I bet you go see Brian, that go. Bend down for him, tell us to make it come. Yeah. You go kneel down. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Hi, bro. Welcome, sir.
As we don't want cream,
as we don't want that quick. We see why enjoy life. Transformation agenda. Even easy bit we need down. Even our producer, mini match, game us, solo, all of us need down. Anyway, but welcome, sir. Welcome to the next show. Welcome to the next show. I murder your name, maybe I get them right.
No. You want more than and small, but you try. I don't go too blaming because say Yoruba man different from Igbo man. And as you know, say as my sister Kate they talk fake and this thing that time, say you know if you get them.
Yes.
And she they enter the matter.
So now she for call and where?
No be Calabar name, na Yoruba name.
No, good. I had a very long name full of consonant and vowel.
It's okay. This is Akinlawo. Olayinka Akinlawo.
Okay, Akinlawo.
Akinlawo.
Your mouth. See, your mouth go like this.
Okay.
Your mouth goes so. Akinlawo. Your mouth is not good for your mouth.
So this name not good for the deliverance.
No, it's not good for deliverance. No, na Dale's name not good for deliverance. Welcome to the night show, boss. You know, an actor where everybody know. On top TV, it don't take. When are they wear pants now? They watch you for TV. That's why they wear pants. They can't tie. They roll with a canter. They place away. Now you don't the art. So that maybe they call you Ancient of Days.
But you never reach like that. I see young for inside the matter.
You see,
I never reach like that.
Now for small, for small picking eye that time, you could just look and like say, wow.
You know why? I no go blame am say he dey young. For Nigeria, our youth na 60. You go see 60 years old. We are youth forum. Nigerian Youth Forum. You go see 45 years old. They for youth forum. So you are a youth.
We are all youths. We are all youths.
And that's what they were talking. You know we are all youths. Anyway, welcome to the next show. Now, how long you don't act?
Well, you don't take small because I started from school actually. I've been going University of Ibadan.
Okay.
So my first degree in guidance and counseling, but under it you can't go theater as a
you they sneak they go.
They go theater as a department. They go you know. So now from there they can't say this guy you get sabi this thing you know. So they can't make me can't do PGD for theater from guidance and counseling. So as I feel that I don't come to one small body show and the theater academy. They know they introduce me for the I act to go. So if I want to say professionally now, you go had me, but I don't go feel because I don't do it from school. Come, we don't they present, don't they do before we can say graduate, come outside. But if you use that, if one use that one, we talk say professionally.
Professionally,
yeah. Say you can't graduate from school, but I don't earn money from school though, for inside this acting matter. But the professionally matter. Say for this one, and I go talk and say, okay, well, I'm graduating like since 1991, 92. You know,
Then where you did?
Vincent from Delta, good evening.
Yes, Catherine.
Ma?
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, evening. Nedu, how you doing?
You fine, no. Okay, who
Nedu, how you doing?
I don't know.
Who they find? Who they look for?
You know, Catherine, how about this?
This is not mortuary with this, so.
Love you much. Nedu, be careful. I will see your eye. Catherine,
Ma?
I like your dress this evening.
Yeah, how you not go like him? I see your eye too.
Nedu, be careful as you near Catherine. Be careful as you near her. And that carry what style way they use your finger. Be careful.
Is it getting
point and go easy.
Vincent, bye-bye. Thank you. Good night. Agbe from Makoni, good evening.
Agbe, we no close talk to you.
Agbe, good evening. You not going to talk to your wife that day?
No, that day, my house they cook. That's why I don't be talking.
I forgot that. You see Mark.
Cook, you know they talk.
Nah, you see Mark for our face, Abi.
I want just go to katim.
Okay.
I want sponsor that rap. When the rap just now, I want sponsor that.
You want sponsor the rap?
Yes.
Okay.
With my own money.
You want? Okay, no, it's going to happen. We will give you our account number.
That's what I don't have the account number.
We will send you account number.
My account number, what be your own?
Now, Katim, the account number we will send to you so that you go sponsor them.
Okay, then I'm going to wait tomorrow. I want to know that very rap just now.
No
Okay.
problem.
No problem.
I like it. Okay.
Peace. Thank you.
This our bros first at the air. Well.
He dey hear you.
They hear you.
If they hear me so, bros, I hear you.
I hear you too. I hear you.
I see you. I dey complete now.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Okay, bro.
I'm going to your wife. Oh.
Where your wife dey?
He dey cook too.
Now there.
Is she dey cook?
They cook.
Your wife dey always cook for you. You are wicked.
She be cooker.
Is she a cooker? Is she a cookist? Bye, Agbe. Good night. Anyway, boss. Okay. If we say okay now, you're acting. If not 1991, we'll call her. Let me say like 24 years now. You don't act.
My God's grace.
Now, waiting be that thing when they say ginger you. We make you say okay, make her enter into acting. We make you they leave guidance and counseling.
Maybe not the money, Nedu.
Not be the money. Maybe not girls. You know, say first. You know,
They do cool down first. Make a mammy go. She be me the act yet. Now you act.
Okay, now you're acting. Sorry.
Make I tell you. Make I tell you. Make I tell you. Make I tell you waiting ginger. Actually, then that time when we did young, I did like to dance. I did like dance very well before I enter school. So you come enter, get admission, enter school, come the. I used to stay in Kuti Hall. You know, Kuti Hall they behind Theatre Arts Department.
Yes.
So for you, so anytime you come back to hostel, you would inside the hall in the auditorium. So I go peep. You don't look say they dance.
You cause you're those guys they shake.
The only girls they dance.
They do not be girls now. I know I'm talking this talk. Now you're yeast.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you, Jare, my sister. I'm a yeast. Let me use my yeast.
I bet yeast.
So out of that dance, so I actually got into theater through dance.
Okay.
From there, then acting I can enter. So late Professor Dakwadulu back on see me this guy Wazobia. They're going to put me for productions, end of year convocation presentations and all that. That's what the whole concept. Then from there we can enter one group they call. You can't get La Fomania where they do plays around Nigerian universities. It has to do with comedy. Like you have different comedy sketches. You know, so we can't go different universities. Now from there the thing can the acting can they go. Then we can't enter another group where Dr. Bodisho and then he get they show on the theater academy. They come the do for Ibadan there. So now from there everybody come the enter, come the diversify. Go they do entomology, they travel with troops and all that. So and they are the team for really.
You go say the person when discover you now that late professor. You go say na him discover you. I mean, I will discover your acting.
The acting, God do not be say somebody pass it. Discover because in school, if you talk say person now he discover you. You go do this one, you want to say okay, now come and take this one. You know,
be in the right place at right
time. You know, so it was like you do the right thing at the right time, and then the person which could need you just to say, this guy go do this, yeah, can't do him. So if that is to say discovery, like we say now that professor, now he force you, but not being be first play we are do. But
not be the first play we do.
Not be the first play we are do with that. I did the final year project for one of my senior colleagues, named Mike Odiachi, in the theater arts now. In they doing final year project that time. So he just put me and say, make a help and do one thing. Now for there, people just call this okay.
Dennis, they call us from Germany. Dennis, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How Germany?
You did fine, no.
How your side?
We thank God.
Thank you, say call us this evening. What do you want to get to contribution on top of the matter?
I watch the program every evening. I want to commend them for the good work now.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you for Dennis. You know, now you boy they married there. I've been a black woman they married.
My black woman.
You sure?
Germany,
Dennis, maybe you speak Germany now. Lash, mish, like mash, mish.
Who they speak Germany there, so.
Namina, you never, Namina. I am going to talk. Lash, mish, shash, mash, mish.
Alles good.
You see how? Anyway, Dennis, thank you very much for calling us from Germany. Thank you. It's not what I think now. It doesn't what I talk now. Lash, mish. It means say, how far? How you did?
See you. Because the guy, yeah, you were aware. Then you can just answer you, say, you know the thing where you go like talk. And you just answer you like that.
Now, questions plenty to ask you, and time not due to ask you all these questions. Now, how many productions you don't they involved in since if you remember, we don't took hand inside since you start acting.
Movies per se are not too much like that. I've done quite a number of soaps. I don't do soaps.
Of course,
soaps major.
On a film now, on a TV.
But we know they call it like that for our profession. You know what they call film.
Okay,
you know they call film soap different form.
Okay, soap different from liquid soap.
Different from liquid soap.
Okay.
Liquid soap different. They spell themselves different. You know, so series day, serial day.
Okay.
Did they confuse us? Series, a drama, a soap.
Serial.
Then season
day.
So
then
episode.
Season be like so when you say season, like say this one are like this first starting fourth quarter. If you talk say this quarter which consists of like 13 episodes.
39 episodes.
That's a season.
Okay.
Yeah, this season then you're taking that. But series now drama where they start and end.
Okay.
You know, so like
you go start and then tomorrow you go continue. Another
storyline.
Okay. But I see the same
people, the same concept, but the story go start and end that week.
So which one?
Syria can't be Syria. That is Syria. Say this one go end for here and next tomorrow we see you wear the same dress. You continue from here. Continue from here.
Like
that is Syria.
Okay. So how many soaps? And liquid soap how many soap and movie? Which ones you feel remember? Because I know see them plenty. Which ones you feel
because the soaps I do lately, you know, but I don't do movies past.
Okay.
And then because of say we go to school sometimes, I personally decided to leave movies.
Okay, make you leave movie, enter soap.
Because soaps are more they more tasking,
exactly.
You know, and then they see you more, and it projects you more. And then when you do movie now, then because the the mediocre never be like this for that time. Now those who do matter people they come put and they put their money, so they just call everybody the same. Do I now?
1 to 4.
Person when no go school reach you, go tell you say do like I say I want that, and you know say this is they not just like this every day. So it make what I know for the enter the matter. I mean, they don't post answer for your career. You say you got a whole now.
Okay, so
where they continue, they do. So I don't do just the two of us. I don't do a Belle Giant, the Yoruba one. I don't do Living Next to You. I follow do aging gracefully with DSTV, Afri Magic. I did quite the number, you know, but we thank God. Yeah, so the thing with but the what we most people they look now because it didn't recently. Now just the two of us and Abele
I even watched that one.
That one with the man and the daughter, and then I've been the papa friend. Then the Abele Jano and the woman with the award, where they awarded the husband, where. So those ones are popular. But to God be glory, all these soaps where they do now, they are all from the stable of Upper Williams.
Okay.
Now because we work together, we've been working together for like 16 years.
Okay. Yeah, this caller don't do phone since. Don't keep on. Charity, good evening. Charity,
don't face.
Okay, we don't try. Charity, thank you. Bye. Charity. Emmanuel. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
Kati.
How do you? What can I do for you?
Alpha.
See me here now. I dey see you as you dey see me. I see you.
Waiting
there you are mine.
How you want to see me? How fast do you come and I can't see me?
You go choked.
Nedu.
Alpha.
Nedu the chairman. Now, wow, I like your packaging this evening, no?
You ain't get packaging.
Alpha.
You get packaging, no? Easy beats, I dey hate.
Yes, boss, I hate it too.
You go hate uncle too. You don't hate finish. Bye. Good night. Good night.
No, wait now.
Good night.
You never hate.
No more. In fact, we will concentrate on the. But we go come up for studio. We will not get it 5 minutes. Bye. Okay. You get one question we don't scratch me for body to ask you since.
Okay.
You don't scratch me since.
I say
inside all the film where you don't do. You don't ever wipe for inside film.
I wipe table. I wipe table.
Oh,
I wipe table. I wipe chair.
Whoa.
I wipe cupboard. And the better duster the way I take the wipe where they shine.
Okay. You don't for inside the film where they act. You don't ever carry.
I just clear the air. I don't follow you ask this question.
You don't ever carry. They don't ask me. They can't say action. They can't say make you pull cloth. Make another sister pull cloth. When I begin do collabo. We don't do collabo like Don Jazzy and P Square.
And you know, say me, I know they sing. Now, acting me, I did. So I know this a big collabo. I don't do a big collabo. I don't even get voice self.
Okay. They say naked. I am on a do on top bed. When I preach to myself, when I don't do something like.
You know, be pastor now.
I not be pastor, but spiritual they talk, with the gist. I mean, of course, you don't let go they act with yourself. Not that Chris now. When you they acting, and you act to somebody, now go they talk. Now go they.
See, and the Bible says that the thief runneth when no one chases him. That is the one.
In other words, and I'm a young boy,
So, person where they run, where will not pursue, where could leave the matter there.
So what can me kick pay a wiki fake kick now, inside
all the projects where you do, inside productions where you do, which one you go say now this one I like pass. This one, in fact, I like and pass
everything from the money, from the production, from the people when they said with you.
Now, if I go that way, we don't talk that because what I do now, when most people in the industry take know me now, stage management,
yes, I know,
and then which they do for Light of Thousand Lamps, glow shows, basket mouth and all that. That's what the people in the industry know me as now. But my first love is that acting now. But if I say which one they pay pass, now they event you.
Now stage
now they say picking goes.
Okay. So now stage management.
Event coordination.
So what you talk now? Say money not there for acting.
It did.
But now we be saying only the women, now they chop the money.
No, it's case like dollars now.
You know, today like that.
No, check out. It be saying only the women they chop the money for acting. Make we talk through.
No, be only the women.
They go come open body for film. Hey. Then one somebody will call that girl. Let her come and preach to me.
So no be everybody go fit do that one. Like you now we be born against. You know they look all those kind of things.
Okay. You be born again. You know they look that kind of thing.
No. We're very.
But it goes sweet to see your car for stage. You know, say you get that.
Say when I dancing, you take start.
he get that present.
No go down.
How where's the break?
No, how you take all that dancing? How you take do that?
Okay, now in 1 minute, before I come up for studio. For those people when they say one be actors, you understand, upcoming people, they want enter, they want day movies like you, they want day sitcoms
no worry,
like
we could do stage play. Now I get one idea. Maybe the idea they be like spirit. You don't awaken inside my body.
You get my sister get role.
A very pungent, very intense inspiration.
Yeah.
To continue.
Advice for those when you say we want act, we don't know, they never know they are left and right. Just in 1 minute, give them advice.
Basically, the advice I will give now be say first and foremost follow your love. Follow your heart. No say you get them. No be say money. Don't put the money before the art. The money will come after the art.
Okay.
And if you do that, you can never get missing. You won't derail. Okay. If you follow your art and your mind, leave money first, then money come later. Okay. Naturally.
Because now money make people they ask now.
But you got to get them first. If you know they your body, you know fit. Anyway. The money no go come.
It no go come.
This is what they do now. It don't be everybody if you do. And you get the way you go know for your mind. Say, I think begin to say, do what you carry you put for this. Now so they don't born you. I know say sometimes.
Help me, Assam.
Because the way we are the look you know. If you remain for Bele, let me say that woman if don't get diarrhea or something for that.
Anyway, double toilet to all of you now. Join us for the show. Double toilet today.
It's sweet me as a
double toilet to like the ancient of days for acting matter.
I don't know. It can't be like saying they pray, you they pray.
No, we are all youth.
We are all. Now we try to those of una wey call. I beg, sorry say we not fit take your una call. And then the topic when we want to talk about today, we go revisit them next week. I beg, those of una we don't stand for Twitter, I'm not vex. And next week now we go discuss it because we get two ogbonge people will not fit just enter. If we say we discuss, I'm not gonna get time to talk to them. Double toilet to Easy Bit, to our producer Mini March, and then to K Solo, to K Moss, our associate producer.
To KK, all the KK,
all of una. Good night.
Who you the kiss? Who you the kiss? K Moss.